Bulise ekseni kuyiSunday ngegama lenkosi uJesu. Lithi izinkosi uJehova ngelilanga wabonakala kuMoses. Nakaziveza kuMoses uthi ngizwile ukukhala kwabantwana bami ngenxa yabacindezeli babo. Uthi ngehlile ukuba ngibophule esandleni sezitha zabo. uJehova ungivezela indaba uJehova uyakhuluma ngento eyenzakalayo eSouth Africa ngecorruption eyenziwa amaphoyisa. Ungivezela uKurt Maqala uthi uKurt Maqala bazombulala. Izinto ezithu ezizokwenzeka uKurt Maqala uzosibulala kuqala oAida bazombulala. Uyazi naye reason why uKurt Maqala uJehova ungivezela a document. Nangibheka le document ibhalwe classified document. I-classified iveza i-corruption eyenzakalayo eSouth Africa. Ingivezela nje ama-institution ahlukahlukile walana eSouth Africa a-corrupt. Une-information yazo zonke le ndawo lezi. Une-information yasephalaphala ukuthi kwenzakalani. Where does that money coming from? Information that is going to implicate the current president and the current executive. Ungivezela ama-judges who were presiding kuma-matter athize ukucindezela abanye abantu, especially ungivezela umama uMkhwebane uphethe yonke le information from ku-judiciary, from ku-National Prosecuting Authority, ungivezela from amaphoyisa. So now iplani abusenza umchunu, iplani yabo ebazoyenza ukuthi babulale uKurt Maqala, because ngibona usenza umchunu is going to be arrested. Ngibona uFani Masemula is going to be arrested. Ngibona ama-judge amakhulu eGauteng umphathi wama-judge is going to be maningi ama-judge azoboshwa. Ngibona ijudge lase KZN eliphethe KZN by the spirit of prophecy bazoboshwa. This is what the spirit of prophecy is exposing. So uJehova uthi ngidlulisele nomlayezo kuwo wonke umuntu ohlala eSouth Africa. Ukuhlala phansi ubukele lento lezowenzakala lapha. Ngibona kunabantu abaningi abazofa emaphoyiseni. Ngibona kunabantu abaningi ebazoboshwa. Even ukuya kuma-Hawks ziningi indaba ezovela uma uKurt Maqala uphethe that classified document e-implicator bonke labantu laba. Praise the Lord somebody. Praise the Lord somebody. So their decision, they are going to kill uKurt Maqala. This is what the Spirit of the Lord is saying. Because ungivezela ukuthi khona umuntu ozoshona eSouth Africa omkhulu in regard kulento eyenzakalayo ngecorruption lekhona manje. Praise the Lord somebody. Bless his name.